At the end of this video, you will be able to check if your Google account has been hacked and how to secure your account to ensure that you don't get hacked in the future. If you are unable to log into your Google account because of password change, please contact the Google Help section so they can guide you on what to do. If you have access to your Google account, if you have the password to your Google account, then let's proceed on how you can check if your Google account has been hacked with a mobile phone. So we head to Google now. On the home page, select your profile picture. Click on Manage your Google account. You can scroll here to locate security just here. The first thing you have to do is to check your recent security activity. You can see I don't have any security activity or alerts in the last 28 days. If yours is available, you'll be able to see it here. If there is security related activity in your account, like a new sign-in, you'll be alerted and you can be able to find details here. If you have any recent security activity, they will be here, so you follow the process. So let's proceed to secure your account and ensure that you don't get hacked in the future. The first thing to do is to activate your two-step verification. You can see that mine is on already. Make sure you activate your two-step verification to make sure that your account doesn't get hacked in the future. The next thing to do is to scroll to your devices. Tap here. These are devices where your Google account has been signed in. You are signed in on this device or have been in the last 28 days. If you are not familiar with any device here, simply select it. You will see the time and the place where this device had access to your Google account. If you are not familiar with this, click on Don't Recognize Something so that you follow the process. If you are not familiar with any of these devices that have access to your account, simply select them and sign out. Or you can choose that you don't recognize this. You can sign out of this device, or you can select Don't Recognize Something so that you follow the process. The next way you can secure your Google account is to go back a little and scroll down. Third-party apps with account access. These are apps that have access to your Google account data, including information that may be sensitive. So we select this. If there is any app you are not familiar with here, if there is any app you didn't give permission to your Google account, simply select them just like so and remove the access. That means this app won't have access to your Google account again. If there is any app you didn't give access to your Google account, simply select it and remove the access. So guys, this is how you can check if your Google account has been hacked and as well secure your account to ensure that you don't get hacked in the future. If for any reason you cannot sign in or log in into your Google account as a result of password change, please contact the Google Help section. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye bye.